Namaste. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use lines artistically. Line is an element of design. Line we see extensively everywhere daily. And you have seen that lines convey messages. How so? You would have seen zebra crossing and these are lines. And again, you would have seen plus, minus, these are mathematical symbols. Again, these are lines and then we are using these symbols for learning maths. So, I'm composing a picture and I'm coloring it inside using only lines. Let us begin. We have come to an end of this art tutorial. You have seen how to compose a picture using lines. You also have seen in my previous video how to make an abstract design using lines. And here there's one more thing that you can use using lines is designing a logo. I have posted the links for all these videos below. Do have a look at them. Until then, bye.